Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be doing a paper piecing of Small World. This is from my Lands album. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is glue the base pieces together. And I am using the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear with the metal tip. I'm just going to center it on here. The nice thing about using liquid glue is you have a little bit of wiggle room. It does dry quickly, but you have just enough time to get it into place. Okay, so for this next piece, there's a little hole right there, and that is where we're going to adhere this to the back. It's a little piece of the blue glitter. So you put a little bit of glue around the hole, and we're going to place the blue glitter upside down right on top. So that will shine through. Okay, now we can go ahead and glue this down. Okay, the next piece, I'm going to add these on the end here, these two little pieces. One's going to go here, one's going to go here. Now it's going to be a super thin black border around all these inside pieces. So you don't want to do it too far away. So just very, very thin border. Or outline. So you want the edges of the white to meet up with this round edge here. See that? How it kind of comes around. Okay, now this piece is next. Just gonna go right in here. Again, very fine line between those. So I'm centering it so you can see a very thin line on either side. Just kind of highlights it a little bit. Kind of shows that fold or creating a banner. So it kind of gives that effect that it's folded back. Okay, and the next piece we're going to add is this blue glitter. And now you can see why we needed that hole. It was either going to be a whole bunch of little black pieces we glued on top of a solid blue, or we cut it out and made that little hole right there. Makes it nice and easy to put together. So I'm just looking to see where I'm going to place it. And you'll see there is a little cutout, a few little cutout, 3 cutouts. Let's see, one right here, one up here, and a little notch cut out of here. That's going to be the title, Small World, and that'll help you with placing that title and lining it up with those notches. Okay, let's go ahead and put glue on the back here. Since this is going in a mini album with no page protectors, I don't want anything to catch on it or any lifting, so I'm trying to make sure I get glue over the whole thing. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my pin and just kind of pull out some of that excess glue that oozed out. Not too much. Make sure to push down in every little spot so there's no lifting. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so now these go. Now see, this is where we're going to use the little notches to help, and you can see these little black ones up here as well. See that? So we're going to line that up. It's going to go just like that. Let's go ahead and put those down. Okay, this piece, the only guide to lining this up is on the tail end of the D, and it's that little tiny notch right there. And it's going to place right in there, and then you're just going to lay it down just like that. Just go ahead and stick that down. I'm going to start with the D. Stick that there. And then just press it down. So that looks cute just like it is, but It's a Small World is very colorful. So we're going to add in all these letters to bring it to life. The black gives it each letter a very thin outline. So just take your time getting it on there, center it as best you can. Might even be easier. I'm going to put the glue on this part, the black. Maybe that's a little easier. We'll see. And I suggest before you start your paper piecing to go ahead and line them all up like I have here. It makes it so much nicer while I'm putting this together, not having to look for the letters that I need. It's all laid out. That's just a little tip, hopefully to help you. Now this is a brand new, as of right now, this is a new album I am working on. So I do not have kits available yet when this video goes up. There will be a link below to my Etsy shop where you can find all kinds of fun projects in the meantime. But once this album is completed and available, I will have a walkthrough video to show you the entire thing finished. And there will be a link where to purchase as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and then go ahead and click that bell for notifications, and it will alert you each time I post a new video. My goal is to have a new video up every day, so I'm trying to do that. Now with the O, before adding glue to it, try it both ways, right side up, upside down, to see which is the correct way. I did that before the video. I don't really know if there's much of a difference. It didn't really seem like too much of a difference, but just go ahead and do that first before adding glue on it. Okay, I think that came out beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. And once again, please check that description below for a link to my shop, and please check out all of the fun projects I have. And I have other paper piecing videos on my channel, as well as walkthroughs of album kits and page kits that I offer on my shop. Thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.